This 2008 Gulf Stream Crescendo 40L is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulf Stream is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, smoke detector, external shower, LP detector, auxiliary battery, TV, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, stovetop burner, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bunk beds, full wall slide. This 2008 Gulf Stream Crescendo 40L is built on a WorkhorseR Series chassis and is powered by a Caterpillar engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.